Well, it's important to monitor your cholesterol levels, and as the older you get. And here to share more of how you can do just that, break down some of those myths, is Dr. Lela from the Functional Medicine MD. Welcome back to the show, my friend.
Oh, it's always a pleasure, Amber.
I love this. I walked downstairs, I was like, this is so much fun.
I moved in. I brought my pantry with me.
You can move it anytime you want. I love this. And I am guilty. There's a lot of these foods that I have like in my pantry, which, you know, it tried to be good and
Yes.
be healthy, but there's so much more to what we see.
But I'll explain. So cholesterol is not only from what you take in, cholesterol is made in the body. So it's a myth that people say my cholesterol is high, so I don't eat fats.
Right.
Because if you eat the good fats, then the body doesn't have to make it.
Right.
And so what happens is when we eat good fats,
Okay.
they are taken into the liver in these little cars, vehicles. We call them LDL. So typically we say the LDL is the bad cholesterol, but actually in the truest sense, LDL is just the vehicle or the car in which the cholesterol particle is carried because it's a fat glob, right?
Absolutely.
So there are different types of vehicles. There is limousines and there is little Fiats and everything in between, right? So we want our LDLs to be like stretch limousines because as we go around, we want to pick up a lot of those fat globules, okay? How does that happen? That happens by eating good fats. What are good fats? Eggs, avocado, raw nuts and seeds.
So good.
My favorite, chia.
Ooh, love it.
And then using good fats to cook in, coconut, ghee and coconut and
These are
olive
my
oil.
favorites.
So these have a high smoke point so they don't burn and become toxic microparticles when we cook. Okay?
I love that.
What not to eat. I know, people hate me like, oh, there she goes again. So there's something called seed oils, and there's a big controversy about it, about yes or no to seed oils. What do I mean by seed oils? There are like soybean, corn, anything that's called vegetable oil, sunflower, safflower, cottonseed, all of those. Those are called seed oils. The problem is the way that when you have to extract oil from those seeds, you use something called hexane, which is a petroleum product. Most of it is removed by the time it comes to the shelves, but traces of it may be there and may be toxic to the body. Also, the processing of that is done under very high pressure and high heat. So during that process, it breaks down. As opposed to olive oil or ghee, which is, olive oil is just, goes through a centrifuge and out comes golden liquid oil. So those are the problems with the seed oil.
All right, we're back with Dr. Lela. Thank you so much, Matt, for that awesome report. And we're talking about good things and bad things.
Right.
And I see one really good thing that's all natural. And then, of course, we're going to go through these various products that we all probably have in our pantry, and we think they're healthy.
Well, let me start by just showing people how to do chia, because when I say chia, people don't know what to do with it. So in here is 3 tablespoons or 1 serving of chia. This is just boiling water, and it goes.
Oh, my gosh.
And
that's so simple, too.
Yep, and cover it up and shake. If you don't shake, it will glob up and it won't be fun to eat.
Interesting.
So while I shake, let's do this.
Okay. So tortilla chips.
Tortilla chips. Are they good?
These
are made with avocado. These are gluten-free,
gluten-free,
grain-free. These should be good, right?
Exactly. That's exactly what I would think.
No. Because these have seed oils.
Okay.
So remember I was talking about linoleic acid, which is omega-6. Right. Omega-6 is inflammatory. Omega-3 is anti-inflammatory.
Absolutely.
And we need a balance.
Right, okay.
100 years ago, we could balance it. Now it's harder because seed oils are in everything. Seed oils means omega-6, so we have about 20-to-1 ratio.
Right.
So that's why people are getting sick and have inflammation.
That makes total sense.
And it's in everything. It's in products, it's in dressings, it's in restaurant foods.
Right.
So what I would do, I mean, even look at this. This is blue corn chips, organic, but it has seed oils.
Right.
Look at protein bars. Look at protein chips, even nut bars. They all have seed oils.
Absolutely.
chicken chips, right? That should be good.
Absolutely, yeah, a form of protein that we think
Yep.
would be really good. But
No,
they've
it
got
has
the
seed oils. So people have to learn to read labels.
Right. And you preach so much about too. I mean, this is a whole food. You know, I see the
This is,
chia
yeah.
seeds, and I see the blueberries, and I see a bunch of different things that you've mixed up, as well as saw pineapple earlier, and
Yeah.
it's all about incorporating those
Exactly.
kinds of foods. And it's so simple.
This has become nice and gelatinous. So
my goodness.
you could either put this in the fridge for dessert later in the day. You can take it with you for lunch.
Right.
Here are some flavor options. Would you?
Absolutely.
tasting?
Oh, I get to taste them?
Yes.
Oh, I'm so excited. I didn't know this.
So this is
that's
blueberry,
beautiful.
and what I did was I blended blueberry with cottage cheese.
Oh my gosh, that is so good.
Okay, great.
This is great.
And then this is chocolate, of
Okay.
course, but it has a little bit of espresso.
Oh, I could totally. You could eat this after dinner.
Yeah, it's a
Almost
dessert.
Sweet. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's a dessert.
Oh my gosh, yum.
Okay, great.
I'm
This
really
is mango.
clicking my spoon.
You'll have a spoon tree.
I didn't know I got to try all these wonderful things, and this is so simple to make too. I
Yep.
just saw you blend some up.
So you make this, and then you blend in your Ninja blender whatever fruit you want, blueberries or mango, and then put some cottage cheese because that's a good way to get some extra protein.
Goodness.
This is plain, and we can jazz it up with some blueberries.
Some blueberries. I think I'm gonna try it just to see outright what it tastes like.
Yep,
Oh my gosh,
it's not bad.
that was so good.
And it's so simple. That's just, I used almond
amazing.
milk because I didn't know if you had any allergies, and I
I
didn't want to.
absolutely love almond
so,
milk.
but this is almond milk, and this is pumpkin for the season. So if
That
people are
looks
coming over that are diabetic and can't do pumpkin pie, you can make this for them.
Oh my gosh, that is heaven on earth.
Good.
Thank you so much for showing all of this today. I'm gonna try that last one. It's amazing. Where can people go online to find out more, and then also visit you in person?
So we are on Tazewell Pike, so people can go to the website and schedule a free phone consult. I'm happy to talk to them or call the office, and we'd be happy to schedule you in. But always whole foods and eat at home.
Absolutely, and it's super easy to pack one of these. Definitely, you can buy these on Amazon. These jars right here too. Thank you so much, Dr. Lela, for everything.
Always
Thanks for
a
feeding me
pleasure.
today too. I didn't eat these. I ate those. It was great.
Good job.
Thank you so much.